Have you ever thought about the possible changes or enhancements to Strata Master so that you can do your job better? Today's video is about your ideas for Strata Master and how you can communicate them to us.
In today's video, we don't spend much time within Strata Master. We navigate to Help and select MRI User Voice. Once User Voice page has opened, you can create an account and log in, or use one of the accounts that you already have to log in. That will allow you to get an update on the idea that you vote on or submit. So the first thing you do is to type your idea. You can then go through the list and see if someone has already submitted your idea. If you see any interesting idea, you can also engage and vote. If your idea has never been submitted before, you can post it as a new idea. You can then type a description for your idea. Once you have entered the description for your idea, you can press Post Idea.